The bird of paradise flower, indigenous to South Africa, is a botanical masterpiece, captivating with its unique traits. Its striking resemblance to a vibrant bird in flight has made it a symbol of elegance. Some species can reach over 5 feet in height. The Strelitzia regina, the most iconic species, blooms in blue and orange hues. Its complex pollination system involves a precise interaction with sunbirds. Astonishingly, the plant's leaves align with the sun for optimal light absorption. This flower is truly a living marvel, showcasing nature's exquisite artistry.